it needs lot of small parts. Like every single day, guys, we have to start our video here because we need to paint the fender, the bonnet, and the front bumper complete. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Azool from Azool channel, and welcome to the 5th day. As you can see behind me, guys, I started my video on the same place which we buy all the spare parts, guys. So believe me, guys, to repair any car you need to have lots of patience. You need to have lots of time to go and search for the parts, especially if you're buying a Ls460, guys. It needs lot of small parts. Like every single day, guys, we have to start our video here because anytime they want to fit or they want to fix something, guys, something are missing. Yeah, believe me, guys, the Ls460 have lot of extra and lot of small parts, guys. Today I start my video to come here to get this small part. As you know, on the first day, I think on the second day, which we buy all the parts from here, all the main part, like fender, what do you call it, the front bumper, lot of like big items, guys. So we managed to buy a black fender, and the black fender had a little bit dent on it. So what happened, on the same day I returned it and we checked the white one, and the white one actually missed this small bracket. So this is actually comes on the front, which the fender can fit it properly. There will be no gap, there will be nothing looking bad, guys. So right now what I'm gonna do, take this part and I will head to the garage. Then we're gonna see what exactly they done to the car, because today the plan was to paint it from inside. As you know, we changed that panel for the as you know, we changed the small panel comes in the top of the frame nearby suspension, that small round thing. So right now we're gonna see if they finish the paint or not. Then we'll see what will be the plan, because the guy explained me today they're gonna do the paint job from inside. Maybe they already done, I'm not sure. I have to go and check it up. Then they're gonna start the painting from the bodies. So what exactly items do we need to paint? The fender, the bonnet, and the front bumper complete. Let's go. We're gonna see what exactly they done to the Ls460. Let's go. Let's see what exactly has been done to the car, guys. So there's no any update. Unfortunately, the garage people are kind of lazy, guys. It's been almost 2 days. They have to do the paint from inside, from this panel, guys, because as you can see, this color is white. From this place they have to repaint it out, and it's been 2 days. The people from here garage, it's kind of lazy, guys. They don't do anything. And I just talked to them. He told me they're gonna do the paint maybe tonight. So there's nothing to show you about the car. Let's move on the second car, the GS. So this is the second car of my friend, the GS. So the 50% of the denting almost finished, guys. As you can see, they removed the engine. Right now what they're gonna do, they're gonna put all the parts, they're gonna do the leveling, and of course I should supply him with that headlight as well, and give him the headlight. So this is the update for the GS. As you can see, they remove everything. Same thing happened from the interior, guys. All the doors, all the cover, the doors, they open it. They're gonna remove all the seats as well, because they transferred the interior color to the red or orange. I'm not sure about that, but they're gonna replace all those leathers from black to orange or red. So this is the update for the GS. Nothing else from here to do, guys. The Ls460 is there and the GS is here. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to, okay, so before 2 days ago I just sold the headlight, the Lexus IS 2011 till 2013, which comes with the LED. That's really special headlight. After 2 days selling that, yesterday the owner of the car just came and he told me the headlight doesn't work. Really confusing me, guys, because the time I give him the headlight, I check everything, the LED, the HID, the signal, everything, high beam, everything was working perfectly. So he sent me the location of the garage, which located in Dubai, Ras Al Khor. So I'm gonna go to the place on that same garage. I'm gonna see what exactly the problem is in the headlight, or the problem is something else with the car. Let's go. We're gonna check up that car. So the place we have to go, guys, almost far away from the place right now, I mean, which located, oh my god, how this guy's driving, stupid ass. It's your problem. There's a lot of crazy driver in here. His problem, first of all, and the way he was doing the attitude, look at him, how he's driving. That's not good. Anyway, guys, the place which we are going, it's away from here, 28 kilometers, so almost 40 minutes, and I can see there's a very big rush on this place. Almost 8 minutes. It could be late as well, so we're gonna press the start and let's go to the place. 35 minutes now. Whoa.
almost we reach on the place. On the right side, as you can see, this is Dubai Al Awir used car market. I actually make a lot of videos on this place as well, so I'm gonna put some videos link in here. You can check them out. Yeah, and oh my god, to believe me, this is actually divided in two market. One will be all supercars, one expensive cars, all of them will be using an UAE, and other will be on this side, guys. Those cars, as you can see, a lot of them you can see on this side, guys. All of them are right hand car, and yeah, most of them gonna be export out of the countries. So as you can see, the navigation just telling me almost 5 minutes. So this is the car, guys. This is the headlight which I sold them, and this is the factory headlight. So what exactly happened? The LED for this side is working perfectly, and in our side it doesn't work at all. So this is, I mean, LED is working. Yeah, so this is the LED which it works on from the car itself, and this is ours, it doesn't work. So what I can know from here, guys, I can see the corner orange light, it works. So it might be some problem on the car wiring, because I asked the garage, they told me they reconnect the wire from the body itself. So what I think they reconnect because there's 2-3 wire are exactly on the same color. So maybe they replace that. That's the reason the LED doesn't work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open the headlight, I'm gonna check the wire, then we'll see what exactly happened. So we figured out what was the problem, guys. As you can see, working perfectly. The problem was this wire, that's all. And now we're gonna tape it again properly. And yeah, this one is looking good. At the same thing, this one also looked good. This was our headlight. So right now I'm gonna finish from here. Let's close everything. Yeah, we finished from the garage, guys. The garage people was very nice, but unfortunately they don't have the experience to, I mean, fix the headlight or check what exactly happened. So what exactly wrong with the headlight? Except that the garage was very kind, they know their work, but this headlight sometimes like it get a little bit confused because there's a lot of wires. You should at least have little experience if you want to fix those headlights. This is the plan. We're fresh from here. The time is almost 11:30, so maybe the time I reach in Sharjah it will be around easily 12 o'clock. We're gonna see if I have time. I'll go check the garage again. So this is amazing, guys. Look at this right side. All of those cars are crown, and all of them are transferred from the right hand to left hand. I was planning to make a video properly about that kind of cars. So this is in my list, guys. I have to come and show you everything. So right now let's go to Sharjah, pick up the Headlight GS and take it to my friend garage. Let's go. Right now we came back to my store, guys. As I explained you before, we have to pick up the GS headlight to give it to my friend, and this is the headlight. Yep, looks so clean, fresh, doesn't need anything work. I just completed, like, I mean by putting all of those computers and all of those holders like signal, everything else. So the headlight is complete. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and drop it to my friend garage. But before that, there is another place I should go. I should visit it and get like 4 headlights to repair it. So first of all we're gonna go to that. First of all we're gonna go there and pick all of those headlights, and after that we're gonna go to my friend garage. Let's go. So I pick up those headlights. I was going to pick 2 of them in here and 2 of them I just put on that corner. Guys, my car look so dusty, a lot of broken headlight, but I have all of them or something useful. None of them are a garbage, guys. Anyway, we came here to give my friend the GS headlight. This is the one. This is the GS headlight for that white one. So I think for the 4.6 also there's update, they fixed something. let me give first of all this GS headlight to the tender guy. Hello. Yeah, GS ka light. Thank you. So let's see what exactly update with the LS460. कैसा है अमीन भाई? ठीक ठाक? इसका पेन खत्म हो गया? इसका?
नहीं अभी पूरा साबुन से नहीं.
Okay. Okay, so this is end of the video, guys. Actually today I'm really sad because we couldn't do anything much. So it, guys, the only thing they done to the car, only paint from the frame and that upper side. Nothing else done to the car, guys. There's lot of work have to be done to the car, especially maybe they're gonna fit the engine as well, guys. Thank you so much if you guys make it till to the end, and yeah, like always, goodbye and peace. So this video will be those people who are watching till today. Still, Samir, you didn't give me my money. There's 2 invoices you have. For the LS460 you already give me, and for the GS still you didn't give me.
Tomorrow.
For the LS it's 2,500, and for the GS it's 1,900. I need it right now.
150.
And 150 balance.
No, this one.
I forgot, or you forgot?
I'll go shit money and I'll give you.
Give me my money, Samir!